Now that we have our project splitted into multiple of its individual projects, it's time to install the package or install Entity Framework Core in our project. In the older versions of ASP.NET Core, Entity Framework Core was included within the ASP.NET Core All package. But as .NET Core progressed, they decided to split everything out in its own package. That has the advantage that you only use the packages that you need. You do not have any of the bulky package with most of the things that you do not require. How do you install those packages? We'll go to Tools here, NuGet Package Manager, and we open the Package Manager solution. Here we are on the Browse tab, and make sure you have this Include Pre-Release checked. Because of that, you see the version 5, which is .NET 5, and you see the preview version of those packages. The first package that we need for Entity Framework Core is simple, and that is Microsoft.Entity Framework Core. You can type it here, but I can see that package right here. That being said, we'll install this package in two of our projects, inside the Wizlib and inside Wizlib_data access. Currently, I have Preview 3, but as you proceed, install whichever is the latest version that you see. Also make sure that this should match with the version that you initially had when you created the project. If you created the project with Preview 5, do not install Preview 7 when you see it right here, or else it will give you an error message. All of the preview versions in your project must match. When we created the project, we had Preview 3, so this will go aligned with that and we'll hit the install button. We will accept the licensing here and it will install the package. Perfect. If we go to Data Access, Dependencies, Packages, we see Entity Framework Core. Now when we have to use Entity Framework Core, we need a database. It can be SQL Server, it can be SQL Elite, or whatever you want. Entity Framework Core supports quite a few databases. What we'll be using in this course will be SQL Server. So for that, we need to install the package for SQL Server. So if you go to Browse again in the tab, we will search for SQL Server. We will hit enter here and you see the package Microsoft.Entity Framework Core.SQL Server. It should be the same preview version that you're using throughout. Right now we are using Preview 3. As the time progresses, they'll have new preview versions available, and with that I will also add a description or a tag in the course when the preview version updates. That being said, we'll install the Preview 3 to the same two projects. Let me install it here. And with that, for now we have all the packages that we need to understand EF Core, and we have set up the EF Core inside our project solution for Wizlib. If we go to Dependencies, Packages, we have Entity Framework Core, Entity Framework Core.SQL Server, as well as in Data Access, we have those packages. Getting those packages was easy, but now we need to extract the power of Entity Framework Core and learn how we can create a database. So let's do that in the next video.